Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian, and yes, it's another unboxing video. Oh dear me. Liz is doing some journaling now, so I've kind of, and she keeps borrowing my tools. I don't mind, but she doesn't put them back. So she now has her own trimmer. Stamping up one, obviously. I'll just open it up. Box goes in the recycling, and there she has a brand new trimmer. Oops, the mat isn't stuck down. Yeah, she's got my glass mat as well, so I might have to get another one. Hence the old Stamping Up on Stage one. Let me just check the shot. That's on the wonk now. There we go. Right, okay, sorry about that. I bought a couple of packs of blades, because you know you can never have enough. I've got her own stamping seal, tape runner. Yes, there's cheap ones out there, but why? And I've got 3 refills. These will go in the adhesive drawer with the others. Okay, and then some stuff for me. Now, thanks to a video from the lovely Tricia Smith at Smith's Crafty Creations. I'm going to put a link to the video down below in the description. But she made this beautiful layered card using the Season of Green and Gold Specialized Designer Series paper, and I'll get it out in a minute. Oops, that was clever, Ian. You just battered the camera. And the Graceful Greenery Vellum. Now, I love this stuff. I don't use it nearly enough. Let's look at the vellum first, shall we? Get the cardboard out of the way. So 6 sheets. You know, there's like a positive side and a, well, there's like a, that's the back, that's the front. You get 2 sheets of that. Okay, this lovely snowy icy scene. That's gorgeous, isn't it? And finally some leaves. We put that back. It's already in my 12 by 12 Stampin' Up page protectors. I'm not sure if they're coming back or not, but as I've said before, I got a bundle when they retired. So, right, let's have a look. I'll just put it out of here, and I'll get each design off. So, first 2 designs. It is really beautiful, and it matches the vellum as well, you know. Well, I'm pretty sure it does. So shiny side, and the plain, well, it's not plain, but you know what I mean. It's not shiny. Shiny, and the not shiny. Shiny, and the not shiny. Look at the plaid, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Are you still in shot? Yeah, you can see both sheets good. Shiny, and the not so shiny. And I'll read you out the coordinating colours. The shiny and the not so shiny. Right, the coordinating colours are Garden Green, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, Very Vanilla, and Gold. And for the vellum, Garden Green, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, and White. So there we go. just a quickie with some more new goodies. Hope you enjoyed it. There will be a crafting video. Yes, I'm uploading this now, and then hopefully I've got a friend coming, but I'm not quite sure what time they are arriving. I'm casing Trisha's card, which, as I've said, the link will be below for that. Okay, so I hope you all have a lovely day, whatever you're doing, and I will see you soon. So bye-bye.